Let's take a look at transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are verbs that need an object. Here's an example. I throw the ball. Here's an example. I throw the ball. The verb is throw and the object is the ball. I cannot just throw, I need to throw something. Throw is a transitive verb because it needs an object. Here's another example. Anna sent the email yesterday. The verb is sent and the object is email. A verb like send needs an object. You cannot just send. You have to send something. Anna sent the email, so the email receives the action. Sometimes we can have more than one object in our sentence. Look at this one. Anna sent the email to all her team members yesterday. This time, we also have all her team members who received the email. This is what we call an indirect object. The email receives the action directly, but the team members receive the action indirectly. The team members are not connected to the verb send. Here's another one. Tony threw the ball to Jean. This example has a direct object, the ball, and an indirect object, Jean. The ball receives the action directly and Jean receives the action indirectly. Sometimes a verb is intransitive. This means it doesn't need an object. Here are some examples. The dog barks in the morning. There is no object. The dog doesn't need to bark something. The dog can just bark. He sleeps well every night. There is no object. Again, he doesn't sleep something. He just sleeps. The leaves fall in autumn. There is no object. And here, the leaves don't need to fall something. They just fall. One thing to remember is that verbs can sometimes be both transitive and intransitive. Look at these examples. Transitive. Olivia runs a successful business. Here, runs means manages, and in this sentence, the word runs needs an object. Intransitive. Olivia runs every morning. Here, runs means moves quickly for exercise, and no object is needed. Here we can see that the verb run can be transitive when it is used in a business context and intransitive when it relates to exercise. The first one needs an object, in this case, a successful business, but the second one doesn't need an object. Olivia just runs. For practice, you can look at the verbs in your sentences. Do they happen to someone or something? Does someone or something receive the action? Give it a try.